Ever wondered how makeup trends have shifted to celebrate our natural beauty? Let's take a journey back in time. For centuries, makeup was often about creating a uniform look, a mask of perfection that was fashionable at the time. Think of the powdered faces of the French aristocracy or the heavily lined eyes of the 1920s flappers. These were bold statements, but they didn't always consider the unique features of an individual's face. The goal was to fit a mold, to look like everyone else who was in style. Then came a significant shift. The 1960s and 70s saw a rebellion against conformity. The hippie movement embraced a more natural aesthetic. Makeup became less about hiding and more about enhancing. This was a turning point. People started to realize that the most beautiful makeup was the kind that worked with their face, not against it. The idea of your face, but better, started to take hold. This paved the way for the sophisticated techniques we use today, where makeup is a tool for self-expression that highlights our best features. Fast forward to today, and the natural I4-day look is the pinnacle of this evolution. It's not about being barefaced, but about using makeup so cleverly that it looks like you're naturally blessed with perfectly defined eyes. It's the art of subtlety, a quiet confidence. This look is perfect for daily wear because it's versatile, professional, and enhances your features without overwhelming them. It's about looking polished and put together effortlessly. The real magic is that it's tailored to you, your eye shape, your skin tone, your personal style. So, how do we create this modern, natural eye? It all starts with the base. A good eye primer is your best friend. It's not just about making your eyeshadow last longer. It creates a smooth, even canvas. Think of it like priming a wall before you paint. It ensures the color goes on true and doesn't crease throughout the day. A tiny dab is all you need. Apply it from your lash line all the way up to your brow bone and let it set for a minute. This simple step makes a world of difference. Now for the fun part. Eyeshadow. The key to a natural look is choosing the right colors. We're talking about neutral tones that mimic the natural shadows of your face. Think soft beiges, light browns, warm taupes, and peachy nudes. For your Oliver base color, pick a shade that's very close to your skin tone. A light, matte beige or a soft cream works wonders. Use a fluffy brush to sweep this across your entire eyelid, from the lash line to just below the brow bone. This step brightens the eye area and evens out any discoloration, creating a perfect, clean slate. Next, we add dimension. This is where we create a subtle contour for your eye. Choose a matte shade that's S1 or 2 shades darker than your skin toner soft taupe, or a light warm brown is perfect. Using a smaller, slightly more tapered blending brush, focus this color in your crease. The crease is that little hollow between your eyelid and your brow bone. Use gentle back and forth windshield wiper motions to blend the color. The goal is to create a soft shadow, not a harsh line. This simple trick makes your eyes look bigger and more defined in the most natural way. To really make your eyes pop, a little bit of brightness is essential. Take a light, shimmery shade, think champagne, soft gold, or pearly white. Using your fingertip or a small flat brush, press this color onto the center of your eyelid. This little touch of light catches the light whenever you blink, adding a beautiful, subtle sparkle. You can also add a tiny dot of this same highlighter to the inner corner of your eye. This is a classic makeup artist trick that instantly makes you look more awake and bright. Eyeliner, for a natural look, is all about definition, not drama. Forget the thick winged liner for a moment. We're going for something softer. A brown or charcoal grey pencil is often better than a harsh black. Instead of drawing a solid line, try a technique called tightlining. Gently lift your upper eyelid and run the pencil along your upper waterline right at the base of your lashes. This fills in any gaps between your lashes, making your lash line look fuller and thicker without a visible line. You can also lightly smudge a soft brown eyeshadow along your upper lash line with an angled brush for a super soft, smoky effect. And finally, mascara. This is the step that truly opens up your eyes. Before you apply it, always curl your lashes. Place the curler at the base of your lashes, give a gentle squeeze, hold for a few seconds, and then repeat in the middle of your lashes. This creates a beautiful, natural curl. When applying mascara, wiggle the wand at the base of your lashes to build volume, then pull it through to the tips. A single well-applied coat is often enough for a day look. A brown mascara can look even more natural than black, especially if you have fair hair and skin. It gives you the definition without the intensity. And there you have it, a simple, beautiful, natural eye look that celebrates you. Give it a try. Thanks for watching.